The 5th Kerala Blockchain Summit, BlockHash Live 2022, will be held this coming December 16th and 17th at the Kerala Art and Craft Village, Trivandrum. BlockHash Live 2022 will feature the latest disruptions such as Web 3.0, Metaverse, CBDC and NFT, addressing how blockchain is disrupting the world. Events like workshops, hackathons, Metaverse Expo, panel discussions are awaiting attendees with ultimate blockchain experience. If you want to explore the latest blockchain innovations and gain access to a networking lounge of startups, investors and thought leaders, BlockHash Live offers everything. Get ready for the biggest blockchain summit in South India. Register today.